All right, I got the Priestley large room air purifier. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so I could show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. Let me show you what you get with this. This thing will cover up to 1,000 square feet. So that means it'll clean 1,000 square foot room once an hour, 500 foot room twice an hour, and so forth. I got 9 inches by 13.5 inches. It's pretty lightweight, maybe a couple pounds. Top, when you get this, you're going to have a little display for all the functions and how they work on there. Easy enough. You get an owner's manual with it, and you get a manual that shows you how to connect this to a Wi-Fi device. You can actually use the Smart Life app according to the scan code on here, or possibly the Toya Smart app to control this via Wi-Fi from your phone. So if you're out and about and you wanted to turn your air purifier on at a certain time, you could do it. Also comes with a nice long 6-foot cable. I like that. So this comes with 2 filters inside of here, a 3-stage filtration system. Pretty simple. You just turn this clockwise, pull the bottom off, and your filters are in here. When you first get them, you're gonna have to pull the plastic off of the filters, but there's 2 little tabs on here that make them easy to pull out. And when you put them back in, just make sure the tabs are facing each other. And pretty simple. And there's a little arrow on here that shows you the airflow. The air is supposed to go in towards the machine. And when you pull this out, it's got the 3-stage filter on here. It's got the little pre-filter on here for collecting the larger particles. It's got the carbon fiber filter. That's the big one with the fans in there. And it's got the H13 True HEPA filter on the back for for getting small particles and contaminants and so forth. Just slide it in. This lid goes on anyway. It doesn't matter. And you just turn it counterclockwise. And you're good to go. So let me give you the rig rundown on this. So pretty simple. You got the on button in the middle. Touch that. Turns on. There's the life of your filter in 5 bars right there. The filter will last 3 to 6 months depending on the conditions you're in and what kind of particles you got going on in there. So when you turn this on, it automatically goes into low speed, then it goes into medium speed and a high speed. I'm gonna put it now on sleep mode. So in sleep mode, it continues to work only at a quiet speed, which is what we like here. So you can see on here, we have a 2-hour, 4-hour, and 8-hour timer on there. Press and hold the child lock key and it'll go into child lock mode, which it's in right now as it lit up. And you just press and hold it again for about 3 or 4 seconds and it goes out of child lock mode. Pretty simple. And that's the Wi-Fi button. It's telling you that it's looking for Wi-Fi. Once you connect it to the Smart Life app, it'll light up and let you know that it's working. Something like this would be great for if you've got allergies, pets, dust in the house, a smoker in the house, all kinds of stuff you can use this for. So if you're looking for a high efficiency air filtration system, or air purifier like this one, that will accommodate up to 1,000 square foot room, that uses an H13 HEPA filter, along with a 3-stage filtration process, is a smart device and works off of its own app, has a sleep mode on it, and notifications to let you know when the filter's being replaced, check out this one by Priestley.